Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Calculator app immediately, tap the icon or swipe into Control Center, and press the Calculator shortcut. Make sure Orientation Lock is off so you can get the scientific layout when needed. Once done, clear any previous numbers by tapping C. This prevents carryover errors. You should also check that voiceover is off unless you need it, because it changes gestures. Now you're ready to enter your first number and proceed to the calculation steps. You enter numbers by tapping digits and the decimal point. If you need a negative, press the plus or minus key. For percentages, enter the number then percent to convert automatically. Once done with a number, tap an operator like plus, minus, times, or divided by. The calculator cues that operation. Make sure to rotate the phone for the scientific functions. Then tap sin, cos, tan, log, or parentheses to build complex expressions. If you make a typo, use delete or C to correct. You finish by tapping equals to get the result, and if you need it elsewhere, long press the displayed number to copy it to the clipboard. Because the built-in app lacks memory buttons, plan to copy intermediate results into notes or a third-party calculator if you need multi-step storage. Once done, clear the display to avoid accidental reuse. If the app freezes or stops responding, force close it or restart your iPhone, and make sure iOS is updated so the calculator runs reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.